Hello, my fellow CTE educators. This is Coach A, your certified technology teacher here in the state of Texas, also known as the Tech Design Lover. I am going to be showing you how to create a presentation in MagicSchool AI for your CTE lessons. Now, today, the tool that we are going to be using is the presentation generator. As you can see, I use it quite frequently and it comes up automatically, but if you need to find it on your own, you can go in and just start typing in presentation. It is going to pop up automatically and you click on the tool. Now, I teach middle school. However, most of you who are teaching career and college readiness courses are at the high school level. So I am going to move this up to, let's say, 10th grade. And I'm going to make it 10 slides. And the content is going to be college and career readiness, career clusters. Now, the TEK that I'm going to be using is TEK 127A, and I believe it's C. Let me just double check really quickly. Bear with me a second. It's D1C. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. D1C. And then we're going to click generate. If that TEK is incorrect, I will fix it, but I believe it's the correct one. So let's take a look. So MagicSchool will do its magic. It will start searching. It looks like it has found the correct TEK, which is great. And as you can see, it has started generating content for your slides. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the most effective tools you can use, especially if you are teaching CTE, where you have to cover a broad number of topics. You have to make sure that the students are taking notes and grasping the concepts. And the best way to do that, to me, is because most of us are visual and we need to see things in front of us, is to use a presentation tool. Now, let's scroll back up in this slide content and see what we have here. So as you can see, MagicSchool tells you that it has checked the educational standards mentioned in the request to ensure accurate alignment, and it's narrowed it down to the CTE standards. Here we have the TEKs 127A, D1C, which is college and career readiness, and exploring career clusters. So slide number 1, you've already got your title done for you. You can put that on your slide as you're presented by, and voila, you have your first title slide. Slide number 2, what is college and career readiness? College and career readiness means having the knowledge, skills, and attributes needed to succeed in college courses or in the workforce. Being college and career ready means you can, and then it lists a bullet point assortment, which includes entering college without needing remedial courses, qualifying for entry-level career positions with opportunities for advancements, etc., etc. As you go on down to slide number 3, it breaks down understanding the career clusters, and then it has bullet points. Keep in mind with slides, it is critical to keep the slides short and sweet. Students are not going to read your whole slide. And have you ever been in a meeting or a presentation given by someone and they have slides that are never ending? There's no bullet point, there's no breaks. You're just sitting here saying this is way too much information for a slide. We like to keep it short and simple in CTE. I know I do. My students love it that way because why? They don't have to write a whole bunch. Now, I do encourage writing in all of my classes, which is why I have them take notes. So I really feel like a slide presentation is the best way to engage them, but also allow them the freedom to take notes on their own and feel responsible. And it really does work, particularly with my 6th graders. I mean, when they grab their journals and they're writing, they are really engaged and they're letting their classmates know, hey, you missed something. You might want to write that down. So It's really, really a great tool to get them engaged and get them focused. And then you can use other tools to review what you've taught in these presentations. All right, so continuing on, we've got slide 4, which introduces the 16 career clusters. Notice it has part 1, and then the additional slides, part 2, et cetera, 3, 4, 5, until it introduces all of the career clusters. Now, slide 8 begins to break down career pathways within the clusters. It talks about different careers and different jobs that students can have. Slide number 9 talks about self-assessment, finding your fit, where students have an opportunity to start exploring what careers may or may not work for them. And then slide number 10, planning your path. Slide number 11, resources for further exploration. This is where you can have the students go off independently and do a little bit of research on their own and create an assignment for them based on this. So this is just one easy and very simple way to create a slide presentation. And how long, excuse me, did that take? It took really less than 5 minutes, guys. So I encourage you, as a Magic School pioneer, I encourage you to sign up for Magic School. If your district does not have it, sign up on your own. Try it out. It is a phenomenal tool. The presentation tool is one of my favorite tools to use. I have generated like entire units using the presentation generator. So I think you will find it handy. Feel free to comment below. I will be hopefully posting weekly. This is my new channel. This is a new venture for me. I absolutely love sharing my knowledge about technology content and using the AI tools to educate our children. And I also do not want to forget to say, please encourage your children to read and write daily. This is what makes them well-rounded students. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.